Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Yahoo Finance app. It is a very easy and fun process, so let's get started. First of all, download the Yahoo Finance app. If you don't have it, you can simply download it from your Play Store or App Store. Then open the app. Now to log in, simply tap on to account and then here you can find the login options. I have already logged in onto the account. Now you can simply go to the account section and you can simply log in. Now to use it, tap onto the home button and here you can find all of the stocks of the companies. You can simply see all of the stocks markets of the companies that you are interested in. Now you can see the news on the stocks. Now tap on it. Now here are all the news about the stocks and bonds that you are interested in. Now tap onto the markets option. Now here you can find all of the overview of the stocks and cryptos about the finance. Now scroll down and here you can find all of the trending stocks and assets and bonds of the market. Now tap onto the US and Asia and you can see all of the information about those places on here, just like this. Now tap onto stocks. Now here you can find all of the market value of the given crypto and ETF and everything. And that's it. This is how you can use the Yahoo Finance app. By using the Yahoo Finance, you can simply gain the information about the crypto, stocks and bonds informations of the markets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.